Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. This happens to be one of our 347s. Again, custom building, you get them your way. This happens to be a custom painted engine. The block's been painted, timing has been painted, a special type of red, a red maroonish color. We got the black oil pan, black valve covers, black pulley kit on here, black distributor, black FI-Tech. They just got done making on a 450 build, 480, and made about 450 foot-pounds of torque. Again, interested in one of our engines, give us a call. But don't forget, we're very busy at all times, and there is a little wait. But again, you want a great product, quality product, give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. And remember what I always say, the proof is in the performance. Thank you. Okay, Paul, I have your 1969 Ford F100 engine here. Happens to be one of our 347 strokers. The motor came out gorgeous and it runs great. We're going to fire this thing up for you. Notice it's going to come up on high idle and going to come nice right down to our target RPM.